The easiest way to download fonts. Write any word on Illustrator. Because I'm a t-shirt designer, I hear a special word here. I have written calligraphy here. For this, we will now download a nice font. Go to Google. Visit Dafon's website here. Its front is like this. There are countless fonts available here. Here we have selected calligraphy. You see a lot of fonts here. Click on More option. Click on 100% free. A font we like here is called Clarissa. Here are all the details about this font. It is also 100% free. Click here to download. Your font has been downloaded. Go to Download option here. Open Type Font or To Type Font will be written here. Double-click here. An Install option will appear. Click on it and download your font. Now you can use this downloaded font. Look how beautiful this font is. Type its name and it will appear in front of you. Remember the name of this font and write it down so that you can do something. Now let me show you a design in which we will use the same font. Never give up. You've seen how easy it is to download fonts. Those who are new learners should watch my videos very carefully. I have uploaded many similar videos on my channel, and you can watch them here. You can also create similar beautiful designs.